Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. It comes equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated and cooled seats, power sliding sunroof, backflip tonneau cover, Terra Grappler all-terrain tires, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this two-tone brown and gray interior. Lots of extra paneling, cup holder storage on the bottom. Equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. And that'll come up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows, as well as seat memory with the dark wood and the chrome. We're also going to have these power running boards here as well, pretty convenient. And the two-tone, full-feature powered, heated and ventilated Denali seats, super comfortable. Left side, you'll have your drive mode selector, as well as 2- and 4-wheel, and lighting controls with heads-up display control just right next to it. The left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel, with that Denali badging. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. Now for the odometer here, you can pretty much see all of your vehicle information, including your, speed limit, gauges, adaptive cruise, all that fun stuff, as well as music, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's just going to be push to start, classic column truck shifter. I see the heads-up display blinking there. And onto the infotainment system. Pretty straightforward, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. With built-in Wi-Fi hotspot as well. Navigation inside, as well as my GMC and Amazon Alexa. And you can also access your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, as well as that full feature and the mirrors here. Down below, dual zone climate control, heated ventilated seats, as well as you got lane keep assist, park assist, auto stop, hill descent control. And this here is for your power running boards to extend out to the full tire. Below that will be your trailer brake controller, 2 USB ports, 12 volts, and an AC wall charger. And in the center console, a huge wireless charging pad, lots of extra storage inside, and a center console with more USB ports and an SD card reader as well. Passenger side, same finish. It's gonna have two-tone, as well as that Denali stitch. Goes across the door. You're gonna have the double glove box as well. Speakers and storage up top here. You're gonna have regular and digital rear view. And up top, you can access your power rear sliding window, reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and a power sliding sunroof. You're gonna have these 22-inch chrome wheels on Terra Grappler all-terrain tires. You're gonna have the 6.2 liter V8 badging, your chrome mirrors, and the chrome keyless entry door handles as well. Come to the back, paint match corner step bumper, the dual exhaust, trailer hitch and fifth wheel just under. You're gonna have a backflip truck here, tonneau cover. The GMC multi-flex tailgate here, MultiPro. And you're going to have 2 LED lamps, as well as that grab handle, an AC wall charger, and around 12 bed tie-downs. It's a very spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, more paneling and storage on the bottom next to the speakers. Power window again with that two-tone finish. Crew cab, so lots of legroom. Storage behind the passenger and driver's side, with rear cup holders, rear heated seating, ventilation, and 2 USB ports with a 12 volt, as well as right in the center, cup holder and armrest, storage behind the seats, as well as storage under the seats, lamps up top, and handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. It comes equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine, as well as heated and ventilated seats, power sliding sunroof, heads-up display control, all-terrain tires, truck hero tonneau cover, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.